Hadien balami Jinghuri Hura hakari Bangladesh. Hakakat praterik unaitung arhajar arpusau shispa anyum sanut Samla Pule ke Wanphai no asyari India. Bargini ke Samla Pule ke Wanphai ki kentup ye ke Samla na Meghalaya bat Assam. Bat kumjo iki Samla Pule ki banagari Nepal. Assistant Nodal Officer berkemi ikakam man pediang iki Samla Pule ke Wanphai asyari India. Gamaliel Thomas beliau Executive Officer ke Land Port Authority Dauki. Ulito bahadu kesini palai. Keladon shispa nyup sangut ki Samla Pule ke balawan cekari India lengba kadau ki Landport. Baraba ke Wanphai ke lepen biangi ki bos na gebenta kalit ke wan jengki. Uli itu ru buli keren bat kini ki Samla Pule ke balawan Wanphai ha ke baki lepen pau bakim semlamat kanu ke jing ne kanu ke jing ja ha ke jing Wanphai jengki. Nregi babon hi keladap da ke jing tiang bat jing siir ya ke belajar ha Bangladesh. Utama uli itu bakumbasan pusan na ke shispa ke Wanphai ki dai na Meghalaya.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, can you tell us how many students have returned back to India after there has been a protest in Bangladesh?
So far, 175 students have reached this land port.
So these students, did they face any difficulties while returning back to India?
They did not report anything like that. We have given them here water and other things. So transportation also we have arranged. We have a bus also. We have arranged the bus for them. So they have not faced, but I found them to be in panic, some of them, But they were scared of what the incidents there. Otherwise, nothing, nobody got injured, nothing. I asked them also whether you had any difficulty there, but they left their college and they are coming.
But from which states do these students belong to? Can you be specific on the total number?
Total number after that breakup is not there with our immigration. They can say that nearly 65% is from Meghalaya and rest from us, mostly other students from Assam.
Okay, means only the students who have returned are mostly from Assam and Meghalaya.
From Nepal. There are many students from Nepal also.
Okay, they have come all the way through Dauki port.
All the way from Nepal.
Okay. And can you tell us how many more students are you expecting that they will be returning back to India?
We are expecting, if the trend continues like this, we are expecting this much number tomorrow also.
Okay.
Expected more students to come tomorrow also. Prepared for that, we are also prepared to give them all the facilities. We are prepared for that, for tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Thomas.
Okay, sir. Welcome.